Hello all, I'm going to unbox this piece, 120 piece magnetic building tiles by Cossy. So once we open the box, it comes with a manual which says Cossy magnetic tiles idea book, and it basically has a bunch of ideas how to use these tiles. And now we can start taking a look at all the pieces in this box. So it has two cards with wheels, so two magnetic cards with wheels, and then we have a bunch of small triangles. So we have three of each color. So we have 3 orange, 3 pink, 3 green, 3 purple, actually 1 more green, 4 green, 3 purple, 3 fluorescent green, 4 blues, 3 yellows, and 1 more pink. So overall there are like 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 17, 20, 24 of these small triangles. And then we have medium-sized triangles, which we have in different colors as well. 3 yellows, 3 pinks, 4 oranges, 3 green, and 3 blue. Total 16 of these. And then we have big triangles. So they are available in 2 of each color. So 2 greens, 2 light greens, 2 blues, 2 oranges, and 2 purple. And then we have a bunch of square tiles. So these are square tiles. They are also available in different colors. So 8 purple, 6 pink, 6 oranges, 6 green, 4 yellow, 6 blues, and 6 green, and actually 2 more yellows. And then we have the bases. So the bases we have here, they are also in different colors, and you can stack your blocks on top of these. So these bases are in purple, blue, orange, and green. And then we have rectangle pieces. So 3 of these rectangle pieces, 2 pink and 1 yellow. And then we have these window frames. So 2 of window frames, this parrot green and pink, 3 windows, and we have like orange and blue here. And then we have double doors, which we have like 2 pieces, 1 orange, 1 blue, and 3x3 door, so 2 of these. And this piece, this is a gate, two of these gates. And then this L-shaped piece is 4 of these, so you can stack them like this if it works. And then we have 2 fences and 1 more rectangle piece, and that's pretty much it. I'm very excited to play with these and build something new. Thank you.